Welcome back to Life on Greenwood, everyone. It's always a good day when I can get into the garden. It's a better day when Garden Girl shows up to help me out. In this video, you'll see her helping me put these new plants in the ground, and she really is learning and helping me out so much. Enjoy the video. These are the new plants that I got. And some others around back. I'll be working on this tractor and that weed whacker. All right. 2 dahlias and begonias, and this is the hydrangea that hubby bought for Mother's Day. So gotta find a place to put them. Have to find a place to put them based on, you know, what they prefer, because I was reading, you know, the begonia, the lady said for the begonia to put that in shade, like shade, and the azaleas. All right, let me just go and bring everything to the back of the yard. I mentioned that we got some this and some plantain to use to pot these plants. So I think I have all the plants where I want them, all the new plants that is, but they need some water. So let me show you on the side garden where I think everything's gonna go. This is a plant that was in the garage, which I think is turning out to be an allium, not a peony like I thought. New plant dahlia, new plant early bird sherbet DIANTHUS, which gets like 4 to 6 inches high and wide. Got a second one. This is the allium, I think, that I thought was a peony, and this is a dahlia. So these get full sun. Oh, that's an echinacea from last year that seems to be coming back. We'll see. So I've got to put all these in the ground, but I'm just going to water them because they look so dry and they're not set up on the drip yet. So I just want to water, get a little water on them. And in the back, I think I got them set up where I want them to go. I have a, what's it called? Oh, azalea. I think that's going to be like a scarlet azalea. These I haven't planted. Oh man, I could figure out somewhere where to put those. Hold on. What am I going to do with these? To figure out where I'm going to put these. Totally forgot about these. It's Coleus, which is annual. Sun to shade. So it might do okay right there. This geranium is, I'm going to take these to the front. It's going to the front. It's impatient. Actually, I'm going to put the geranium on the deck. It gets like lots of sun there. I'm going to pot it up, I think. And this impatient needs sun. Sun and shade. So I might just, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. These have to go into a pot. These are going to be potted up. These are just some impatiens, little impatiens. But for now, I just need to water them because they're so dry. They are so dry. Okay. And there's a drip back here in this rock garden, so they should get. I'll be put a drip back here, so they'll be fine. That's the begonia, which is the new begonia, which gets shade, which I have to put in the ground. I'm going to put a little water on that because that too is dried out. And this looks dry. All right, so all these are going to get planted in. Here's the other azalea, which is going to get planted in. And I think that's it. I think that's it. So I got a new azalea back there. Oops, where is it? Oh, back there. That's the new azalea. I got the begonia. These are going to the front. And that's the other azalea right there that's going to be potted. That's going into the ground. Okay. So I just wanted you guys to see the new plants that I have. And I'm going to put the prices somewhere. I just want to do a price comparison because these guys were not cheap. But some prices, of course, were better than others. You know, the big box stores seems like you can get a better price there. But I wanted to patronize like the local farms and stuff. So that's what I was trying to do. Yeah, a little deeper than that, though.
So much dirt.
I know.
I have to put it somewhere like right here.
Oh, you know what? Is there an empty pot you can put it in? Because we need to put it back in there when we're done. Hang on. Oh, okay. you got pretty deep there, I think.
I don't know why, but I have to go to the bathroom one more time.
Oh my goodness. Go ahead.
I had 2 sunny D's.
2 sunny D's. Oh my gosh. Too many. Too many.
No, this is too.
All right, take your plant. Take the cup. Push your plant down there. See how it looks. Grab your plant. Squeeze the bottom of it a little bit. Okay, that might work. Let's throw some fertilizer in there.
Okay, let's get you out.
Yeah, take them out.
Also, be careful because you don't want to break the root.
Yeah, just lay it on the side. Grab a handful of that fertilizer and throw it in there. Show the people what kind it is. Can you hold up the bag?
Ew.
Yeah, it's plantain. Okay. Let's just throw a handful of that.
Oh, that's what the smell was.
Maybe. You think that's what it is?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. Take a handful and throw it in your hole.
This one?
Yeah, it's good. That's good. Sprinkle it in your hole. All right.
Like all going on the floor.
Yeah. All right. Put your plant in.
Okay. What is this green stuff?
I don't know what the green stuff is, but I don't know what green stuff you're referring to. Push it down in. Straighten it out. Push it down. Push it down. Is it straight?
Yeah.
All right. Now put your dirt back around there. Bring your pot over to your plant.
We need a bunch of dirt right here.
Yeah.
I don't think I have enough dirt.
Just dump that in there.
Like
Yeah, dump
in the
it.
middle?
No, on the sides and spread it around. Use your hands to spread it around.
Oops.
Okay, you're fine.
Just this way.
Yeah, push that plant down in there.
Okay.
All right, now let me see what it looks like. All right. Shoot it. Oops.
Oh, I'm ripping it. Yay. I ripped it.
Okay.
I'm gonna rip it off.
So we planted a couple. Garden Girl planted that dahlia and that dianthus. I planted that dianthus over there and that yellow dahlia. See if I can get a few more in. I don't know. That's the plant that I grew from overwintered in the garage, and I thought it was a peonies, but I think it's a allium. I have two of them, so let's hope it does well. It's about to bloom. I think it's an allium, but we'll see. So Garden Girl and I got 6 plants in the ground. A dahlia, the mystery plant that we think is an allium, 1 dianthus, 2 dianthus, that yellow dahlia, and this other plant that we think is an allium that I thought was a peony. So that echinacea that's coming up back there, I didn't pot that yet. That's left over from last year, so I want to see if it actually is coming back and that's not really a weed growing in here. Oh my god. So we put 6 in, and we have more to go. Oh boy. Thank you guys so much for coming back to Life on Greenwood, and I hope you guys are having an awesome time in your yard and garden, and that your plants are coming along successfully. For my new friends, thank you so much for checking us out, and for my returning friends, I will see you all in the next one.